In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase items on Amazon using debit card EMI. If you've been curious about how to take advantage of this payment option, you're in the right place. We'll go through each step in detail so you can make your purchase with confidence and ease. Let's start by finding the product you're interested in buying. Navigate through Amazon's vast selection and select the item you wish to purchase. As you review potential purchases, ensure that the product details are in line with what you're seeking. Once you've found your desired item, take a moment to glance at the product page. Here, you'll want to look for the EMI section. This is crucial because it will indicate whether the product and your bank qualify for the debit card EMI option. If you see the debit card EMI listed, you can breathe a sigh of relief, as this means you can move forward with this financing option. You'll also find information on available tenures, which are the different durations you can choose to spread your payments, along with any interest rates that may apply. Next, let's add your selected product to your cart. Once it's there, you can proceed to the checkout page. Here, you'll encounter several steps, but for now, pay close attention to the payment page. This is where you'll select the EMI menu option, a menu specifically designed to let you opt for paying with your debit card under the EMI plan. This menu will guide you to choose your debit card as the payment method. Now comes the decision of selecting your tenure. Choose how long you'd like to spread out your payments. Perhaps you prefer a short 3-month period, or maybe a longer span like 6 or 12 months works better for your budget. Make sure the plan you select fits comfortably within your financial planning. Once you've made your choice, you'll be redirected to your bank's website or mobile app to authenticate the transaction. This step is essential for confirming the applicable EMI details with your bank. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this authentication process. It's generally quite straightforward, but keep an eye out for any specific prompts or confirmations required by your bank. Upon successful authentication, rejoice. Your transaction will be processed, and you'll soon own the item you've been eyeing. Keep in mind that the first installment will be charged according to your bank's schedule, so be sure to have the necessary funds in your account to avoid any issues. And there you have it, a seamless way to use debit card EMI to make purchases on Amazon. This payment option can make purchasing big-ticket items a bit less daunting, so feel free to explore and utilize this feature. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!